Subscribe and press the bell icon for latest update.
जी हाँ, बात कर रहे हैं हम बॉलीवुड के फेमस और जाने माने डायरेक्टर सुभाष घई की, जो हाल ही में पहुंचे एक बुक लॉन्च के दौरान। जी हाँ, द सीक्रेट लॉ ऑफ ब्लेसिंग के नाम से उस बुक के लॉन्च के मौके पर पहुंचे फेमस डायरेक्टर सुभाष घई एक्ट्रेस अनीता राज के साथ, जिसे लिखा है करण राजदान ने। इस बुक को लेकर तमाम बातें करते नजर आए सुभाष घई। तो वहीं इसी दौरान सुभाष घई ने कई ऐसी बातें भी कही जिसके बाद सभी रह गए दंग। हम आपको सबसे पहले ये बता दें, ये वही सुभाष घई है जो कास्टिंग काउच के मामले में कई बार शर्मनाक अफवाहों का शिकार हुए, तो कई बार खबरें सच भी साबित हो चुकी हैं। कई वेबसाइट में ऐसी खबरें छपी कि ऐश्वर्या राय बच्चन से लेकर माधुरी दीक्षित को इस तरह के शर्मनाक मामले में फंसाया सुभाष घई ने। जी हाँ, एक इजरायली मॉडल की बात करें, रीना गुलान नाम की इजरायली मॉडल की अगर बात करें, तो उन्होंने सुभाष घई के खिलाफ कास्टिंग काउच का आरोप लगाया था उन पर। जी हाँ, उनका ये कहना था कि सुभाष उन्हें अपने बेडरूम तक लाना चाहते थे। खबरें ये तक आई थी कि फिल्म इंडस्ट्री की घिनौनी सच्चाई यानी कि कास्टिंग काउच को लेकर सुभाष घई का नाम एक बार नहीं बल्कि कई बार दर्ज हुआ, जिसमें तमाम अभिनेत्रियों ने नफरत के बोल खुलकर सुभाष घई के खिलाफ बोली। आज वही सुभाष घई तमाम सवालों से फिर से जूझ रहे हैं। जी हाँ, रिपोर्टर्स ने किया सवाल कि आखिर क्यों उनकी फिल्मों में आज इतना बदलाव आ गया है, आखिर क्यों सुभाष आज तमाम बड़ी सुपरस्टार्स के साथ, बड़ी एक्ट्रेसेस के साथ काम नहीं करते, आखिर क्या है उनकी जिंदगी की सच्चाई, जिस बारे में सुभाष घई ने खुलकर बात भी नहीं की। उन्होंने बातें टाल दी। तो आइए जानते हैं सुभाष घई का क्या कहना है बुक द सीक्रेट लॉ ऑफ ब्लेसिंग को लेकर, साथ ही साथ इंडस्ट्री की घिनौनी सच्चाई को लेकर, अपनी जिंदगी को लेकर, अपनी फिल्मों की कहानी को लेकर।
See, every human being has a very interesting story for himself, even you, she, he. Only thing when you are little up there with your work or with your success, people want to know your story. But then then you feel that my story is similar to many millions of people who are deprived of the certain privileges and opportunities. But still, few houses have approached me to write or to say something about my life. I always tell them I'm still running. I'm in the field, and I will stop jogging and I will sit down on a bench. Then I will let you know, my friend, this is my story, and it is a beautiful story. So I'm looking for that moment when I can sit on the bench. I'm still in that chaos and in that staircase of improvement and trying to improve myself day by day. And I'm sure that one day will come. One thing I can promise you, before I depart, I will definitely let you know my story. Thank you.
सर, मेरा सवाल इसी सवाल से मिलता जुलता था। मैं आपसे लगभग 4 साल
मेरा जवाब उससे मिलता जुलता ही होगा।
सर थोड़ा चेंज है।
मैं चेंज करके बोलूँगा।
जी सर, मैं लगभग 4 साल पहले आपसे मिला था जब आपकी एक फिल्म आई थी लव एक्सप्रेस। जी, उसकी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में, मैं जर्नलिस्ट हूँ, तो उस वक्त आपने कहा था कि लोग कहते हैं सुभाष जी की फिल्मों का तरीका अब बदल गया, अब वो बातें नहीं रही। उस वक्त आपने हंसी मजाक के मोड में कहा था कि अब ये सुभाष घई कुछ अलग तरीके से लोगों के सामने आएगा। तो मेरा प्रश्न भी वही है कि ये जो अलग तरीका आपने उस वक्त कहा होगा, तो क्या ये उस बुक से या आपकी ऑटोबायोग्राफी से जुड़ा हुआ होगा?
देखिए, मैं पहले स्क्रिप्ट लिखता था, अभी मैं बुक लॉन्च पे आता हूँ। अलग तरीके से आया ना जी।
Karan, yeah, there is a chapter in your book called Love and Nirvana. Yeah. ये चैप्टर कैसे आया और क्या थॉट प्रोसेस है उसकी?
और आप तीनों में से किसमें इंटरेस्ट है? लव में या निर्वाणा में?
मैंने ये चैप्टर इसीलिए लिखा ताकि आप सवाल कर सकें। ओके, अब इस माइक के साथ मैं जूझ रहा हूँ।
You don't need mic.
हेलो, नहीं मैं चालू करिए, मैं खुद जब बोलता हूँ तो शुरू कर लेता हूँ। I have always believed also because of Osho, who wrote some books as Samadhita, that is a great energy, but without the energy of it transforms itself into love, and both these energies combined together can take you towards nirvana, and that is why I wrote this chapter of love and nirvana, because और इसलिए भी लिखा क्योंकि इस तरह की किताब में का वर्ड लोग अवॉइड करते हैं। आप चाहे जितनी किताबें पढ़ लें, चाहे कार्ट टॉल हो, चाहे रॉबिन शर्मा हो, that avoid talking about completely, and I think it is a tribute to my master that I will not hesitate to speak about it in the right context and yet not vulgarize it in the book.
Sir, on the film front, a question on the film front. You made a film called Girlfriend, which was way ahead of its time when it was made. Do you think in today's times, given the kind of atmosphere that is prevalent, a film like that can be made?
I mean, I am really shocked and surprised, but then I am also grateful to those people who burnt my effigies during Girlfriend. क्योंकि उसी के कारण तो वो पिक्चर इतनी बड़ी हिट हुई और वो 100 days उसने कई सिटीज में सेलिब्रेट किया। लेकिन उस पिक्चर में न तो किसिंग थी, there was no kissing in the film. I didn't even put any heroine in a bikini, leave alone, you know, have anything else. Just because of one character who was a character. I mean, there was so much of uproar. I hope that we have moved ahead today, because as I was coming to this launch, I was reading in the news channel that a Sunny Leone event has been cancelled on the 31st of December in Karnataka. So I think those forces are still there, who are wanting to control you, who are wanting to tell you, see this, don't see this. I mean, we are watching that with Padmavati also. And I am going to perhaps launch a film called Hindu. And I don't know whether it will make them happy or it will make some other group unhappy. So I don't know whether we have moved ahead or not. वो तो जब कोई फिल्म ही आएगी या कोई गर्लफ्रेंड जैसी फिल्म आएगी तभी पता पड़ता है।
My name is Nilesh. Same day, 34 years ago, Shubha's Guy's movie Hero was released. Hearty congratulations, sir.
Thank you.
My question to you is
16 December, yes.
16 December. Incidentally, and the book launch happens on the same day. Sir, you were talking before Subhash would come about comfort zone. When you get success, the path of success is paved with appreciation, criticism, and jealousy. It is an amalgamation of all of them. It can be from your friends, relatives, anybody. What is that secret law of blessings that keeps you motivated when you see criticism and jealousy from the network around you? Because however you want to go into that other comfort zone, sometimes we give it off because you get an inner voice saying that perhaps this is not the place where I'm going, I'm taking a wrong decision because of the criticism or the jealousy that you feel. But there are some people, when you enter into business, you should be prepared for the profit. What keeps you motivated? What is that secret law of blessing? Because a normal person gives it halfway through. The path of criticism, success, paved with criticism, appreciation, and jealousy.
It is very normal. It is very normal to feel defeated. It is absolutely normal. And I would never ever advise, nor have I advised in the book, that you should not feel defeated or pessimistic or bad at criticism or jealousy. But after that, there is a stage that it should motivate you to do better. You should take it positively. It should inspire you even to hit back through doing good work. All throughout, especially Subhashji's career, because he has been 100 times more successful than me in movie making, there must have been people, wanting from all sides to pull him down. But what defines his longest innings as a showman is because he took that criticism and he turned it into positive energy. And put that positive energy, invested that positive energy into his next film. So, if you feel death is negative, please look at it that it may have a second side of a coin. If you feel criticism is bad, it defeats you, just think about it positively. A, the criticism can also help you improve if you look at it positively. B, if it is downright pulling you down and it is malicious, then you can just say that what is that person from within? I should pray for that person to be happy from within, because unnecessary malicious things only people with total negativity can write. So you should pity that person. So there is always a different point of view. This is what the book says.
Do we have any more questions?
Yeah.
Anita ji, when will we get blessed to see you back in films again?
Soon. I'm also waiting for that big day.
बताइए ना कुछ scripts पढ़ रही हैं आप?
Not really, लेकिन बातचीत चल रही है and I'm just waiting for the right kind of a role where I will also get inspired.
कैसे देखती हैं आप आजकल के फिल्मों को, आजकल के अभिनेत्रियों को?
Fabulous. They're very hardworking, and I'm not. I've also seen those days. Of course, हम भी hardworking थे, but today the entire thing has changed a lot, which I think is for the best. You come in the industry and you're all prepared to face challenges where you're in each and every aspect of your career, like your dance, your makeup, your clothes, you're just perfect. I think we were still very naive, but now I think the challenge is more the industry's become so big. So that's fabulous. I think it's a great achievement, and I'm looking forward to some good roles too.